AH-64 Apache helicopter. It is a main-armed helicopter designed and manufactured by Boeing Company for the U.S. Army, named after the Native American Apache tribe. It was developed under the U.S. Army's Advanced Attack Helicopter AH program, AH-1, as the successor to the H-1 Cobra. On September 30, 1975, the YH-64 prototype manufactured by Hughes Helicopter Company successfully completed its first flight. 1976 YH-64. In 1976, the Pentagon decided that the YH-64 of Hughes Aircraft Company, later acquired by McDonnell Douglas, would win. Current manufacturer, the Boeing Company. Boeing press release states, this time the V6.5 software upgrade of AH-64E. First, improve the route and attack planning interface of the avionics system. Strengthen the functions of Link 16 data link system. Army officials say, the combination of the attack fire control radar, frequency interferometer, and the advanced navigation and communications avionics provides increased situational awareness, lethality, and survivability. AH-64E. The AH-64E is designed for armed reconnaissance, close combat, mobile strike, and vertical maneuver missions in day, night, obscure battlefields, and adverse weather conditions. Link 16. The helicopter has self-diagnostic abilities, Link 16 data linking, and updated longbow radar with oversea capacity that could enable naval strikes. This program also installs the Lockheed Martin Apache Arrowhead Modernized Target Acquisition Designation Site MTADS and Pilot Night Vision Sensors PNVS systems aboard new AH-64E helicopters. And data capability has improved digital connectivity. JTRS, the Joint Tactical Radio System JTRS, capability to control unmanned aerial vehicles UAVs, selected T901 turboshaft engine developed by GE Aerospace, expected to be remodeled in fiscal year 2025. Replace the T70 engine currently in service with the Apache. New composite rotor blades, instrument flight rules IFR capability, and improved landing gear. It has a nose-mounted sensor suite for target acquisition and night vision systems. It is armed with a 30mm M230 chain gun carried between the main landing gear under the aircraft's forward fuselage. 1,200 rounds of ammunition ready. Helmet sights can be synchronized with the cannon. Also introduce Open Systems Interface OSI. The attack helicopter has 4 hardpoints mounted on stub-wing pylons. Can carry a GM-11 for Hellfire hybrid and Hydra 70 rockets. This is America's SAM-11 for Hellfire missile. It is a multi-platform, multi-target missile. AGM means air-to-ground missile, mainly used for anti-tank vehicles, precisely strike high-value targets, etc. The original missile was called Heliborne Laser, Fire and Forget, It later became known as its official name, the abbreviation of its English name Hellfire. The AGM-11 has multi-mission and multi-target precision strike capabilities and weighs approximately 45 kilograms, 100 pounds. Later models also had some ground-to-surface and surface-to-air strike capabilities. AGM-11 was developed by the U.S. Army in 1974, positioned as an anti-tank destructive weapon. The second-generation semi-active laser-guided Type AGM-11 high-explosive warhead heat. AGM-11 flame-penetrating warhead. After the transmitter's laser hits the target, the reflected laser can be captured by the nose of the missile. Fly to the target. The warhead weighs 20 pounds and has a range of 8,000 meters. AH-64E V6.5 version simplifies fleet training and maintenance burdens, paving the way for subsequent modernization and upgrade projects. Let pilots quickly have more humane, more convenient flight system. Reduce task load.